Okay, we are going to take a look at a king room at the Aloft, which is in the French Quarter in downtown New Orleans. We're going to start with the bathroom. This is 12th floor, room 1230. And let's see. Pretty good size shower. There's your amenities. A little bit dark in the bathroom, but not too bad. Looks like there's a fridge in the bathroom, which is pretty weird. We've got a safe and a coffee maker. And then we have the bed. There's a little chair here in the corner. And TV, bench, work area. Seeing some scuffs on the walls, things like that, but nothing too major, I don't think. And let's see. What's next to the nightstand over here? Looks like got your clock. Looks like regular power outlets. Not sure if that's just a... Oh, there's some more power outlets down there. They look regular, like 110 volt. I don't see any USBs, so I guess you have to bring your own charging block. That's fine. Kind of a, I don't know.
Kind of a cityscape out the windows.
We're on the 12th floor, so we've got quite a bit of a view. Yeah.
Perhaps you can see the roof of that building.
So, zoom in a little bit. That's a pretty cool looking building across the street.
Block and a half off of Canal Street.
Yep, close to Canal Street. So, there you go. This is Aloft downtown. I believe it's by Marriott in New Orleans. This is the bar area. The rest of the lobby. They do have valet only parking here. This is where you get your breakfast order in the morning. This is the bar area. The rest of the lobby. They do have valet only parking here. This is where you get your breakfast order in the morning. Here is the gym at Aloft on the 11th floor. And then outside is Splash. Let's see if we can get out there. All right, rooftop pool. Very cool looking.